If you want to strengthen your emotional intelligence and handle everyday situations with clarity, confidence, and control, then HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus. Emotional Intelligence Tips gives you a clear, practical system to make it happen. Packed with 365 Plus actionable tips, this guide shows how to understand your emotions, manage your responses, and improve how you think, communicate, and connect in daily life. You move from automatic reactions to intentional responses, from confusion to clarity, and from emotional inconsistency to steady control. You will build stronger self-awareness, sharpen your thinking, communicate more effectively, strengthen relationships, handle conflict with confidence, and stay balanced in daily life. With 365 Plus structured emotional intelligence tips, this book turns emotional intelligence into a proven, repeatable system you can apply in real-life situations every day. Introduction. Understand how the system works and how to use the book for consistent daily progress. Chapter 1. Emotional Awareness. Recognize emotions, identify triggers, and build awareness of internal reactions. Chapter 2. Thought and Mindset Control. Manage thoughts, reframe patterns, and shape emotional responses. Chapter 3. Social Awareness. Read emotions, body language, and social signals accurately. Chapter 4. Emotional Regulation. Control reactions and respond with clarity and intention. Chapter 5. Communication Skills. Express clearly, listen actively, and improve conversations. Chapter 6. Relationship Building. Build trust, deepen connections, and maintain healthy relationships. Chapter 7. Emotional Expression. Share feelings honestly and communicate needs effectively. Chapter 8. Conflict Management. Handle disagreements calmly and respond constructively. Chapter 9. Adaptability and Stress Management. Stay flexible, manage stress, and maintain balance in daily life. Chapter 10. Self-Leadership. Take responsibility, build discipline, and strengthen confidence. Chapter 11. Emotional Resilience. Recover from setbacks and stay strong during challenges. Chapter 12. Real-World Application. Apply emotional intelligence in daily life, relationships, and work. Conclusion. Reinforce your progress and continue growing your emotional intelligence long-term. Appendices. Use glossary, tools, strategies, FAQs, and resources for deeper learning. Structured system. A clear framework that builds emotional intelligence step by step. Complete coverage. Spans awareness, thinking, communication, and relationships. Actionable guidance. Focused on control, clarity, and consistent improvement. Real-life focus. Designed for practical situations, not theory, complexity, or overwhelm. Start today with HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus Emotional Intelligence Tips and take control of how you think, respond, and communicate in every situation. Apply these practical strategies immediately to improve your communication, strengthen your relationships, and make clearer decisions throughout your day. Use this system consistently, and emotional intelligence becomes a dependable advantage that helps you stay calm, focused, and effective in both your personal and professional life. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.